Hello, and welcome to this video entitled How to Customize Your Google Slides. With this video, you will learn how to take your Google slide deck and turn it into a program similar to Publisher. You can do this with just a couple of steps when you get started creating your slide deck. So, what we're going to do is open a brand new slideshow. And what we're going to do is we're going to click on File, scroll down to Page Setup. And in page setup, you're going to take your traditional widescreen 16:9 ratio that happens in Google Slides and click Custom. Now, when you click on Custom, you can turn your slides into different measurements. You can do it by inches, which I recommend if you're trying to print something at a certain size. You can also do it, though, as pixels. Pixels would be good if you were trying to create, say, a banner for your school website where it has to be a particular size. So you could set it for like 1600 by 1200. And then when you're putting on pictures, you can see what it will look like, uh, especially if they have to be very large. But for now, we're going to do inches, and we're going to make this the size of a piece of paper. So I'm going to do 8.5 by 11. Hit apply. And then what I do is change the layout to blank. Now, whatever I create on this slide would be printed out. So if I was creating a flyer, like I recently did for our recent workshop, when I go to print this out, everything that appears inside the slide would be printed. You could also do custom sizes. So say if you were working with a class and you wanted them to create bookmarks, instead of drawing a box and having kids, especially in the younger grades, create a box with on a page, just give them a slideshow like this. Here, I made the custom page setup 2.5 by 8 inches. Every student would get a copy of this, and then they would be able to create their bookmark. If we wanted to print them out and cut them out to use as bookmarks, they would print and look like this. So I would print it out and then just have the kids cut out the white. If you wanted to use this, though, as a PDF to send to families, you can click on File, Download, and then click PDF. If you wanted to use to turn it into an image on your website or school newsletter, you would click PNG. Now, if you have multiples, you can do a PDF. All of the pages would be included. But for PNGs, they just do one at a time based upon the selected slide. Couple helpful tips. If you want to reverse the layout, you just simply reverse the numbers in the measurements and click apply. But just a reminder, this will do it for all of the slides. So if I create a new slide, it will be that same exact size. If you already have slides created, like in my title slide, it will save this as well and change the slides that were already created. I hope this helps, and if you have any questions, please do not hesitate to reach out to us at the AOP Tech Office.